The future of energy is renewable. But renewable energy is not constant. And without storage, the grid cannot sustain it. With India's push for
Atmanirbhar Bharat
and rapid cost decline in LFP cells, grid-scale battery storage is no longer optional. It's strategic. Introducing Semco Infratech, delivering end-to-end cell-to-container solutions for grid-scale energy storage. From cell selection to containerized deployment, we engineer the complete ecosystem. Our engineering begins with intelligent battery sizing and load modeling, to the careful selection of chemistries. Semco delivers fully integrated, containerized ESS solutions. With fully automated cell-to-pack assembly lines, Semco delivers up to 24 ppm throughput and 99.5% yield. Robotic precision, from OCD testing and CCD inspection to laser welding, guarantees accuracy at every stage. And with MES-enabled traceability, every cell, every module, every pack is fully tracked. From pack to container, integration is seamless. Automated transfer cars, guided loading systems, and high-capacity gantry modules ensure safe, accurate, and efficient handling of high-energy battery systems. But before a container leaves the factory, its performance must be proven, not assumed. Once racks are integrated, wiring, communication, and thermal interactions can create hidden risks. Semco's BESS container testing system validates clusters and full DC cabins. From total cost of ownership to LCOS optimization, Semco ensures your energy storage investment is not just powerful, but profitable. With 30+ years of engineering legacy, 500+ customers served, and over 20 GWh production enabled annually, Semco stands as the backbone of India's battery manufacturing ecosystem. Partner with Semco Infratech today.